Good morning, y'all. My winter forecast will be coming out today, probably towards 6 p.m. Eastern Time. It will include the precip forecast, the snow forecast, the temperature forecast, and the overall scheme of what I think will happen this winter forecast. So we're going to take a look at Weather Bell's latest models for this winter. The CFS V2 seasonal. We're going to take a look at our monthly temperature from that. Again, coming out this morning, 12 a.m. Here's December. Again, consistent with the cold. November or January is looking a little bit warm. February's a little warm. But again, remember, the trend is our friend, not each model run. So we're going to take a look at our weeklies off the European ECMWF weeklies. We're going to take a look at our temperature, 46 day. Now this is quite not what I would paint it myself, because I'll just get right to the brunt of the matter. So we're going to take this in 7-day increments. So days 1 through 8, because a lot of this warm is majorly in the front, like days 0 through 10, let's just say that. So then we see this cold blast come through, and again, this is the last night's run. Last night's run. And so again, and we see this cold strengthening by New Year's Day, and it's looking good for the forecast I put out with a lot of cold in the north. The only thing is that, we have a lot of warmth in the front 10 days, and also right here is where it worries me a little, right by Christmas time. I'm trying to cross my fingers and amp up some cold there, as if I was a magician that controlled the weather. But let's take a look at our winter 46-day snowfall totals. And this is looking really good. This is from now till January 3rd. Let's see, does this go out any farther? No. So this is looking very healthy. Let's take a look in increments though. So we're going from increments. This is basically, I can narrow this down. Well, what it is your snowfall in the 7-day period. So it's like a 50-50 to assume this will be on the ground in somewhere in those 7-day period means. So let's take a look at December 25th. So this is your idea of who might see a white Christmas. It's not like a guarantee, nor is it a snowfall map of the snow on the ground on Christmas Day. It's just saying in this 7-day period, these areas will see this much snow, from probably centered on December 25th. So again, it's looking like a good shot. Like the north is going to have a good winter this year, so that's a good thing, I think. I think a lot of people in the north are used to it, and a lot of people in the south are used to their winters being warm, so they're not going to be too bummed out. But yeah, this looks like a northern winter this year. Just to give you a few more hints from my winter forecast, I gave you guys about 40 of them. Let's take a look at our European seasonal. Actually, we're going to close this out with doing a NOAA 8 to 14-day temperature outlook, see if they're catching on to the cold, and they are. Again, this is November 26th to December 2nd. Again, a lot of cold starting off in the west, but it's going to ride eastward and then kind of interlock itself in the Great Lakes USA, and then amplify by December into January. I think that's where the core of the cold will stay the majority of the winter. So the other thing I wanted to look at is Pivotal Weather, our latest 15-day snowfall outlook. And I know I mentioned you guys in the south is not liking snow, but that's unfortunate because if we take a look at this, our 15-day snowfall outlook, there's some areas in the deep south, maybe not really deep south, but somewhat deep south, that might have some snowfall here. Possibly this is just one run. Again, the trends are friend, not one model run. But again, here this is more likely to occur here in Michigan and Wisconsin. So let's take a look at if there's any short range indications. Nope. Let's see, go hour 186. Nope. Let's go hour 210. Nope. Let's go hour 234. So all these models or snowfall variations in the models are way long range. So I wouldn't put my bets on them. But again, we're getting there, guys. Let's wait till we get this cold come for December, and that's looking likely. So when we get the cold coming, we'll wait the snow to come too. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my official winter forecast coming out at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and have a great day. Bye.